Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready. Sign into Prime Video and make sure the app or browser is updated so audio track options appear. Once done, pick the movie or episode and start playback. This opens the player controls you need. Make sure the device supports alternate audio tracks. Some smart TVs and older boxes do not. If you use a browser, keep it updated and enable HTML5 playback. Now that playback is active, you'll see the icon to change language. Let's move to that control. With the player controls visible, select the audio and subtitles or speech bubble icon. This lists available audio tracks and subtitle options. You'll see language names like English, Spanish, or original language. Select the spoken language you want and close the menu. Playback will usually switch immediately. On smart TVs, use the remote's options or info button to display the same menu if the on-screen icons are hidden. Choosing a different audio track gives you dubbed or original audio. After selecting the language, confirm the audio is playing and in sync. A brief restart is normal. If you want this language by default, open Prime Video settings and set your preferred audio or language profile where available so future playback uses it automatically. For downloaded content, change audio before you go offline. If the language option doesn't appear, the key troubleshooting step is to update or reinstall the app, clear cache, and retry on another device. Region restrictions can also remove some audio tracks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.